I'm gonna eat something spicy. My papa said I can't handle this. So, let's try it.
Ilisan na lang ba dyan?
There's so many. 3, 2, 1.
Nako, sinabog ako po.
Wala.
Ingay nyo!
Amen. Go get your iPad.
Tulad ka bumili pa po kayo ng
iPad. Go.
Not actually spicy. Another one. Okay. The last tip. Oy, nag-aaway! Nag-aaway mga goose. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Kimbab!
It's shaped like a shrimp. Third. Last and third.
Last and third.
3, 2.
Kanina last din. Yung pala. Ngayon, last na naman.
Masarapan. Wala naman yan.
Isa na lang po.
Si Ate Ibon.
Oh,
Tingin na po ako ng yun lang. Si wala na ba yung laman?
Wala kahit isa.
Nagpe-play pa. Sabi mo, okay, bye-bye. Bye.
it's not spicy. Okay, bye-bye. I'm gonna need water after this.